everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making caramelized pineapple slices. It's a great side dish and you can eat them just like they are, never mind beside a meal. But anyways, I think you're going to enjoy this because they're so easy to make and so pleasant. So let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make these. Okay, so we're back in the kitchen. We're going to use fresh pineapple and we're going to slice it 1 inch thick. Slicing these on the thick side will help to keep it from getting too soft. You'll need a good quality cinnamon and white sugar. This will be based on a ratio of 3 parts sugar and 1 part cinnamon. So if you're using 1 cup of sugar, you'll use 1/4 cup of cinnamon. Thoroughly coat each of these slices in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Now I have sliced 1 whole pineapple, and the pineapple is nice and ripe, so it's good and sweet. As you can see, I have several slices here because I've used the whole pineapple. You'll need to use a large frying pan that's 12 to 14 inches. That way you can fry them all at once. Place a couple of tablespoons of salted butter in the frying pan and turn the heat on medium-high and melt the butter and get ready to place these slices in, and they're just going to marinate in the butter. They're not going to get them to brown up very much. We don't want them to brown. We just want them to saute in the butter and just slightly warm up and absorb all that delicious flavor. And who would have ever thought that cinnamon sugar would go really well with pineapple? But this pairs really well together. It's absolutely delicious. This only takes a few minutes. I do put a lid on to kind of steam them through so that they warm up a little bit, but I only do that for a minute or two and then remove the lid and let them caramelize. The idea here is to just let the pineapple slices marinate in their own juices and to absorb some of the cinnamon sugar flavor. Be careful that you don't overcook these. We don't want them soft. We want them to be still crisp and fresh. And turn them back and forth like this so that they get coated well on both sides while they're just marinating in the juices. And that's as simple as it is. It's ready to go ahead and serve. Serve these warm alongside any meal that you're having. It's a great compliment. Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget to like and comment. Happy eating. Now go make some.